Hi guys. So another night. So I started rigging up some coat hanger to get the struts. Put some jacks under the lower control arms to get and jack stand on that side. Try and get it somewhat sitting where it's gonna, and then coat hangers so I can run some bracing. I forgot to stop at tire shop to see if they had any old 14-inch tires that would hold air. And I forgot to bring my impact home. Kind of got crazy at the end of the day at work, and I totally forgot. And of course, when I get in my van, I just do a beeline for home. So I'll try and remember tomorrow. Stop at the tire shop. Looks like my roof is leaking a little bit. There's a little bit of water over there and a little bit more over here. I'll have to get that dried up. We had some pretty good rain today, so I'm not sure because that top is not really sealed to the sides. It's 3 tarps over the top of this thing, so rain could have gotten up underneath. When the top goes out, I'm going to get a piece of billboard vinyl and go over the top of this. Now that I know the size, it's 24 foot long and it takes a 26 foot piece. It took me 3 tarps, but so I need 24 by 26 plus if I can get it a little bit bigger so I can fold it over and get some eyelets put in it. And that billboard tarp should freaking last for a lot longer than regular tarps. I've already had the original top. I can't remember. I've replaced the top at least once, if not twice. And the Missouri sun, they just don't last very long. Sun bakes it. So yeah, just run some coat hangers, get that kind of sitting where it's supposed to. That's the other thing I was supposed to do, get that old bed frame so I could start chopping it up and making some braces. I'm going to run from strut to strut and then come down, make a plate, and then come up at an angle. That'll keep that all freaking square. Get some freaking tires that hold air, and then just get the freaking drums rolling again, which I need my impact because the front tires turn when I try and use a 4-way. So it shouldn't take too much to get that spinning. I got that one turning. I haven't tried it on that side, but it turns pretty hard. So either the e-brake's stuck on or there's a lot of rust inside there. It could be either one. Anyways, got home and the whole bunch showed up. I already had it out. It's off eBay. Typically they were 30 to 40 bucks. I found one. It was the last one they had. It was $18 and something plus $5 shipping. So I took that. It was $25 and something. So I already opened it up because I showed Dad. hole punch. Supposed to be, if I read the description right, 1.34 metal, so that should be 14 gauge, because this is 1.2 is 16. So I will get the air fitting in there, get the compressor running, and do a test hole on a piece of, actually I think I got some 16 gauge sitting around here, little square pieces from doing something on the 64. So I'll see if I can't do some holes on some known 16 gauge and then go try it out on the pans. It's supposed to be a hole punch and a lip tool, so looks like that side you could use as a lip builder, so that could come in handy. We'll see. Let me try and get set up. Hi guys. I'm gonna try out the hole punch. My microphone's supposed to show up tomorrow. I'm gonna do an experiment. I got the van packed in. It has a real compressor. So I got the van line come in here, and I've got the other line coming off the construction compressor. I want to know if this thing will run off either one. So we'll fire up the van compressor and we'll try it out. And then I'll fire up the other compressor and see if it does the same thing. It'd be nice if that construction compressor runs this. Find out.
Cut.
Oh yeah, at work they run the long air line, so after I try this I'll switch it over, but that's a piece of 16 gauge metal. That was my first attempt of bending the back end. Couldn't quite get it. But that's supposed to be this is 16 gauge metal.
Beautiful.
Perfect little hole. That's sweet.
Yep.
Okay.
Nice. That's going to be a nice addition.
That's 16 gauge, yeah, no problem. That's supposed to be 16 gauge, so let me get this switched over to the other compressor. I wonder where the little bits go.
I think they flew off to the side.
Nope.
No?
They were stuck in there.
Oh.
They go up and into the hole.
Oh.
There they are.
Okay. I thought I saw one fly.
It might have. Okay, let me switch this over to the other compressor and see if that'll do it. Because it doesn't use a lot of air. Alright. Alrighty. I forgot to say, lovely Lisa is on the camera tonight.
Hello, everybody.
So she told me to get my safety glasses on. So I got my safety glasses on. I'm going to fire up the construction compressor and see if it can run this tool, because that'd be a whole lot handier than trying run the van, try and run this. So, I got the end set up. It's going to get loud again because the compressor's in the garage. So, let me get it fired up and pumped up, and we'll see if it'll punch holes. Alrighty, guys. Give me a second.
Action.
Alrighty, guys. I got the tip switched over to the garage compressor. See if it'll do it. It hasn't even turned the compressor on yet. Same holes. So yep, I could run the compressor.
Show us the holes.
That's
Nice.
some pretty holes.
They are beautiful.
I mean,
So
it's so quick
perfect.
too. The compressor hasn't even kicked on yet.
That's a beautiful thing. All right, now the real test.
Alrighty. Let's see if I can get Dan up here.
There she goes.
That took a long time to turn on though.
Ah, that's pretty.
I like it.
You gotta love it when you got the right tool.
Supposed to do, let me turn that compressor on.
Action.
It has the punch hole in it, but it also has a lip tool on the other side. There's no tool name on it. I got it off eBay. They were typically $30 to $40. This same one looked exactly like the other ones, no name. And this was $18 and something. Had $5 shipping, so it came after shipping and tax. It was 25 bucks.
Works so nice for as cheap as it was.
And yeah, that will come in handy. Being able to crimp edges, that'd be nice.
I don't know what that means, but cool.
When you fold over metal, you can run along and crimp it.
Oh, beautiful.
So that's going to be handy.
Finishing.
Plus that punches really nice holes. So, alrighty guys. And that's definitely a 16 gauge piece of metal, and it had no problem punching through it. It's supposed to go up to 14 gauge. I wish I could tell you the manufacturer, but it's cheap eBay stuff. What can I say? Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.